Welcome back, fan. It's been a while, but we're here again also. Cryptosaurus is never leaving you, and today we are diving into SingularityNET AGIX. Because why not? I think it's been now weeks and weeks that you asked for this coin. Sorry if it's too late, but let's discuss on the daily chart the direction of the market and possible targets. First of all, as I said, the direction and the targets. This is not how we do it in regular conditions, but why not try some different approach and giving you more facts that you can use in your trading investing, although nothing here is financial advice. Okay, AGIX. Let's zoom in pretty hard to the bone, into the daily, into today's day, and make a conclusion that at this point AGIX in the short term is still bearish. This pump just pumped us right into the resistance area, into the short zone that could throwing us back, if it wants, pretty badly. Because we are not allowed, if you want to follow the facts, this is my band of 21 averages, exponential and simple moving. If we want to follow the facts, we cannot deduct that suddenly AGIX is bullish based on the daily. I don't want to talk in this video on a 3 daily, weekly, monthly, just in the short term. Okay? Now let me be perfectly clear. AGIX is not in the bear market. It is starting something bigger to the upside, but we will take short-term approach so that you know how to behave in the short term. So as I said, we are below the band. The danger of one more bullet for the bears to the downside still exists. Do not neglect that fact. Later we will talk about the targets. Now, let's move on, because the daily is giving us bearish scenario. Now I will zoom out so that we get the peak that we had for Christmas. Nice, nice, nice. I want to see the confirmation of a trend break to the downside by drawing a simple line. We used moving averages. Now, the line is right again at the crucial point, right with the moving average at the resistance zone. Now, I don't know your style of trading, it's up to you. Is this the breakout for you? I was using the bodies, as you can see, from here, here, and here to get this trend line, and this candle, as it seems at this point, is above the trend line. Of course, it could be the start of a breakout, but the daily isn't closed yet. You see, if we go here below it again, that would put us in that bearish scenario that we talked from the beginning of the video and for which I will give you the target. It's pretty simple. Now monitor this, because if we start mingling above it, it could be meaning that we are ready for a new highs. If not, let's talk in that sense, where could we go? For that information, I will zoom right at this point so that we get all the way to October information about this impulse move that we're gonna deduct now. And by the way, are you seeing right now how the simple lines are giving us the narrative story? Support and uptrend, here a commotion, here a problem, and since that point we consolidated and are going down. So we are in a retracement mode. This is nothing generally bearish about AGIX, your artificial intelligence coin. This is just a retracement, but looking at this chart, it is a possibility that we get one more shakeout. Let's discuss this, because I don't want to leave you blindfolded while you're watching this video. You know what's about to come. If I'm to say that we are going bearish, let's talk about the targets. As I said, I will not discuss bullish targets in this video, because if this downtrend is broken, then good, cheerio. If we go above those 27 cents, you know what to do, go long. But if we go down, let's discuss where. And for this assessment, I will use my Fibonacci retracement tool. This is logarithmic Fibonacci retracement tool. For those of you who don't know that I'm using a logarithmic scale, but you don't know this method that I'm using, and that is that I'm using the VIX for the Fibonacci, but also the bodies. So in the end, it would look something like this, because that way I'm getting both points, wicks and the bodies. Is it okay by the maximalist of the Fibonacci tool users? I don't know. I made this up. But you will gain nothing bad from it. You will know that 61.8 is still below us. You will know that we touched 50% at this point on the 23rd of January. And maybe that was enough. But if it isn't, this is the reason why we're discussing it. If it isn't, we could go to 61.8. What is the level? First, let's mark that. 21 cents. There you go. If AGIX gets scared, if Bitcoin do something crazy, AGIX decides to follow it, we are going to 21 cents. You got a level. But I want to give you one more level to the upside. It's 23.6. If we break this level, where are we going? Ladies and gentlemen, 29 cents. So, something like this, it's looking mighty dandy. We are at 27 cents. If we break it, 29 cents is the next target to the upside. If we go to the downside, I give you 29 cents. At this point, I don't want to discuss anything else. Those are the levels that Fibonacci showed me. 21 to the downside, 29 to the upside. If you are asking which is more probable, at this point we gotta respect that downtrend line, we gotta respect moving averages on the daily chart and say that AGIX will probably go to 21 cents. If not, you can bash me and be happy about it because you're getting your coin to pump. If yes, glad I helped, because I just gave you the target which could be providing you with an excellent buy zone. Am I right? SingularityNET in the short term is bearish, it's going to 21 cents. If I'm right, you'll hail the king, and if I'm wrong, the dinosaur will tell you the latter.